Wow!
Go on again, my boss. Go on again, my boss. Get up, man. Get up and go on again. Because she can't win you. Go on again.
Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now today we are going on an adventure and we're at Mystic Mountain. Yeah, we're at Mystic Mountain and I'm going to take you on that journey. I'm now at the, what do they call this, a skyscraper or whatever you want to name. But guys, look at the view. Anyway, if you want to see more, please remember to stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, drop a comment. Okay? Go and look at that view. Beautiful. The island one, the big one, the full one. We're afraid for choo. Let him not look down, me look up. She's a stop, wait, stop for. Right, stop.
You messed up.
No, but why am I do this? Why am I take myself going to do this? Hey, if me drop in a far, me I drop in a look there. No, sir. Jesus Christ. It will go a little faster now. Oh my God. I didn't think I go for the bump and it will go chuk. Hold me, wait there, let me afraid. Jesus Christ. God, God. Oh no. Jesus Christ. Oh, it go by sir. The view is so nice, guys. I am not scared. I am the bravest person on earth. And then it goes stop right and stop. Like, then they go sudden move, I mean, like you just stop and then they go fast. Guys, look at this. Imagine. This is what we should have done because up your heart you're afraid. We're finally at the top, guys.
As we intertwine with the universe and its cosmic symphony.
No, I didn't say fall off. I said step up. What are you doing?
No, wait.
No, wait. Hold on. Yeah, lift your leg.
Woo!
No, crazy.
Ow, your hand.
Oh,
Stand up right there, sir.
we had to move out the way.
Yep. Who's coming next?
Huh? Somebody.
Did you stop them?
No.
Let me jump easier. Yep. Hold on to this.
no, don't keep the stick, please.
Okay. Is there any survivors?
On this?
Oh my god, all this and this together.
No, man. Alright, sit down now. Sit like how you would normally sit. I have you. So you don't have to worry. And lift your feet up and just get comfortable. As soon as I hear the beep, I'm gonna let you go, yeah? So you can just get comfortable with holding the phone on the bar. Ready? Yep. There we go. Give me no talk. I don't really want to watch you all on funny thing there.
Why?
Watch out, watch out. Easy. You know what, Mr. Pro?
You,
You know the video coming up? Video coming
Alright, so let's.
I lie.
That's true. You know, I believe you, you know. Alright, say hi to the vlog.
Let's go.
Gang, shout out to my friend right here, you know. Welcome to Mystic Mountain. See you over there. Got the best guides, you know. Yeah, the best food. That's
Troublemakers.
Jelani. That's Drake's.
No, Troublemaker 1,
Oh, Troublemaker 1, Troublemaker 2.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it? Yeah. So, where is that?
Where? V-La-Nessa. V-La-Nessa.
Me can understand that.
V-La-Nessa.
Oh, B. Oh, B. Oh, V-La-Nessa.
Yeah.
V-La-Nessa. Thanks for stopping by at Mystic Mountain. Hope to see you guys again. You can send some friends, some family, even your neighbors and some enemies you don't like. Yeah, we're here. Best team, best place. Peace out.
Go back around because my hand, you know what? Yeah, go back around. Go back around. Or you go back around. And done.
And then what? Yeah, you can just go up or you can stop and make up your mind before we reach them.
Anyway guys, let me tell you the foolish part about this, right? So you go up on the skyscraper and then carry it to they carry on the zipline and you have about 5 rides and then you have to come back down to go all the way back up. To go all the way back up.
Usually.
So I think that is stupid, right? Ooh. Them comfortable though. Well comfortable. So I think that is very stupid because it's not hot enough. Right now I just feel like we want to come off, go get some water, go somewhere and then come back. But probably if we leave the part, they're not going to know what's like. So might as well we just complete the mission and then be done with Mystic Mountain. But overall it's good, it's fun, it's a good experience. So you guys can definitely come here, and when you come here, just enjoy yourself. Yeah. I just say, yo, Nessa said your dad get a discount though because we only do this free. Yes. One of them two around Nessa. 2 lovebirds.
I could show you how to defeat them.
First time?
Alright, so
you push this forward to go, and to slow down, right? So then push it forward all the way to the end, slow at the slow side, just to the slow. Alright? And then no bumping, no stopping, everything. And go as fast as you want. Alright? Look at the lady. Don't slow down. Yeah. Ready? Mommy.
Great. Because I moved the girl in front of me, I just could have peed off her energy.
Alright, now we're not going to the wire here. We need to attach it down. You yourself, you're not the upside down and all them things. You come, you have a hold on, and your time to push it.
Ready now?
Yeah. Don't make him get you up, you know. Ready? Okay, make good one, now you yourself.
Alright guys, so this is me on the bobsled. It was good, it was nice, I love it. Like, I really enjoy it. So if you come to Mystic Mountain, definitely check out the bobsled. You know, there are areas where you have to go slow, and there are areas that's really fast. And like this, just cruising. Yes, it's awesome, I love it. Anyway, let's get back to ride because I don't want to lose my camera and I sense I'm going to strap it up. Yeah. So it's actually like a long trail, so just cruising after this. It's actually nice. I don't know how far, but I like it. I really do like it. I think I may go again, I'm not sure. But I do enjoy this. This is the number one ride for me. The zipline was good enough, but it didn't take too long. And I was hungry and I was thirsty. And then the skyscraper, I was too hot. So that's that. Alright, so I'm going to show you what's before me so that you can see other person coming down. So this is where we're coming from.
You like
Start, right? You start? See me here, someone. Go on again, my boss. Go on again, my boss. Get up, man. Get up and go on again. Because she can't win you. Go on again. Stay green. Go on. Stay green. Up with your hands. Go on again, man. Go green. She not reach the top yet, you know. Step, yeah.
God. Jesus. It's like a good time with it on ketchup. troublemakers. Bye. Now come back. So if you have reached this far in the video, I just want to share my experiences and rate it out of 10. So my rating is 8.5 out of 10, mainly because I had to go on the Sky Explorer more than I wanted to, and the sun was really hot, and we had to spend around 20 minutes on the skyscraper. So you do the maths. But nevertheless, the team was very awesome. They're very jovial, they're very welcoming. And at Mystic Mountain, you have tons of entertainment, a lot of activities, and the food is nice. So if you're on the island and you don't know where you should go next, definitely check out Mystic Mountain. I'm not getting paid, I'm not getting sponsored. I am just speaking my honest review on Mystic Mountain, and others may give it a 10 out of 10, others may give it less, but this is my rating. And even though I didn't get to go on all of the rides, I loved the rides that I went on, especially the Bobsled. So that was my number one ride, so definitely check out that ride. Now, if you have reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please to do so now before they start charging you to subscribe. Like, share, and leave a comment. Bye.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the side.